Hello friends, and welcome to yet another video on Java 8. In this video, we will see what are default and static methods in interfaces. So let's look into the first point. From Java 8, interfaces can have concrete implementation. That is, interfaces can have method definitions. To understand this point better, let's look into the world till Java 1.7 or Java 7. Interfaces till Java 7 could only have public abstract methods, or interfaces could only have methods which are declared, right? Let's see this in action. Let me define an interface called myInterface and let it have a greet method, right? I have declared my interface and it would have a greet method, public abstract so till Java 7 an interface could only have a public abstract method. And the sole purpose of the interface was to get implemented, and the sole purpose of the abstract method was to get overridden, right? So we just had method declared. There was no definition. What do I mean by definition? There was no method body, right? So ideally in Java 7, what I would do is, till Java 7, what I would do is, I will say my class implements my interface, and I would be forced to override the greet method, right? So this was the case until Java 7. But starting Java 8, within an interface, we can have method definitions or concrete methods. And this is possible with the help of default and static methods. So this is what the point 2 says. In Java 8, this new feature in interfaces is possible via default and static methods. So having a concrete method in an interface now is possible using default and static methods. So let's see that also in action. Now in this interface till Java 7, I could only have an abstract method, but come Java 8 and above, I can also have a concrete method implementation or a method definition. I can say public void m1 sysout m1 hello. And how can I convert this method definition into valid code? I can either add the default keyword or the static keyword. So let me just copy this method. I can say it as static, and I can say this as m2, and I will say it as m2 hello, right? So now as you can see, in an interface, you not only can you have abstract methods as before, but now you can also have concrete implementations, that is methods with method body, concrete implementation with the help of either default and static methods. Let's see the next point. Default and static methods are newly added to existing interface to provide new functionality without breaking existing code. In the couple of upcoming videos, we will also see what is the real purpose of adding default and static methods, right? And we will see what is the main reason. Just to give you a quick insight, the main reason to give method implementations or concrete methods inside an interface was to give more functionality, to add more functionality to existing interface. In the next videos, we will see how the simple comparator interface, which only had the compare method, is now added with a public abstract compare method is now added with few more default and static methods to give it more power or more additional functionality. Friends, in the next videos we will see how do we call the default and static methods, how do we use it. See you in the next video. Thank you.